Itchy scalp course. But a quick search only showed very few results about using aloe vera for itchy scalp. So it's not too late, let's talk about that today. How to safely use aloe vera to treat your itchy scalp so you don't go from frying pan to fire. Hey besties, welcome back to another video. My name is IJ. Thanks for joining me again today. Aloe vera, also known as aloe ferox, lily of the desert. Aloe
Barbadensis.
Yes, that one. Aloe africana and plant of immortality. So what's the hype about this plant? Why is everybody so concerned? What is it? Everybody aloe vera, aloe vera, aloe vera. Well, the major benefits of this plant is actually with the gel inside. This gooey, sticky thing that you can see. This gel has amino acids that strengthens your hair, has essential vitamins like B, A, and E, which are great for skin and hair growth. Yes, all that is good, but the part that we are concerned about today is the fatty acids that treat itchy scalp and dandruff. But it does have some disadvantages. The side effects aloe vera plants are within the aloe latex. This is in the leafy part of the plant. But yes, don't panic. As long as you clean it well, you should be safe. Let me show you how. You start by washing it thoroughly with a lot of water. Then after that, we start off by cutting off the whitish looking part, because that part is not important. There's not much there. Take that part away, leave it. So now we are looking at the aloe latex, this yellowy tinge that you can see around the edges of the leaf. That is actually the latex that we are talking of. So yeah, I filmed some of this at night, so the images are a bit blurry. So you can now clearly see it. This yellowy color, that is actually the latex that we are talking about, that has so many harmful effects. But if you've ever used aloe vera before and had some kind of itching, this is what causes it, this latex. And you can get rid of it by soaking it in water for about 1 hour. But I left it overnight because I just wanted to be safer after doing all this research.
2,000 years later.
Actually, just 12 hours later. My aloe vera has been soaked for a while. Look at the water, you can clearly see that there's a yellowy tinge to it. So yeah, you can actually remove the thorns by the side, but I didn't bother with that. I just started chopping up my aloe vera. I didn't bother with that. You can just take out that thin looking area. There's not much there. Then this is the part that you actually need. You cut this up into half. You cut this up into half, and you can look at that. This is so satisfying to look at. It's so good. Look at that. So yeah, I'll go ahead and chop up the rest of the aloe, and then when I'm done with that, I'm just going to take a spoon. Okay, I'm going to take a spoon and I'm going to scrape out the gel that you can see from the inside the leaves. And I actually brought out my mom's glass plates for this, so just for the aesthetics of this video, so because it looks fine on camera. But yeah, you can use any other plate that you have or that you want to use. It mustn't be glass. Just scrape out the gel from the leaves and put that into the plates. So yeah, you can see what it looks like after I'm done. It's quite thick. I don't know the English for this, but it's thick. So if you just put it like this on your head, you're going to be picking out flakes for 2 whole weeks, guys. So please go ahead and put that in a blender if you have. But I didn't actually use a blender. I just used my fingers to mash it up a little bit. Then I went in with a mesh sieve, okay, and that was what I used, and it took a while, but I actually got all of the gel to come out without the flake. So once it's ready, you can see the change in consistency, and into the bathroom we go for the application. So yes, oh my god, this has to be the worst last twist I've ever done, but it doesn't matter, it matters not. So if your hair is low porosity like mine, make sure that you take a while and let your hair just absorb in the water, because even as you can see, mine took a little while before the water penetrated my hair. You can even see me trying to pat in the water. So Once I'm done with that, I go straight to shampooing. I just want to walk you guys through my wash day routine. I'm going to be using the aloe vera as an after wash treatment. I'm going to be applying that to my scalp and all that. You guys will be seeing that. So anyway, the importance of all this is actually consistency that makes the difference and sticking to a routine. Speaking of sticking, why don't you stick with me and subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell so you never miss another post. Okay, so yeah, I've started working in conditioner into my hair strands and twisting it back up. Then I move on to the next section and apply conditioner. I do this till my entire head is saturated with conditioner, and then I make sure to apply on my edges and front hair. Then move to the back sections and then wash out. Once that's all totally rinsed out, is now time for the fun parts. The parts we've all been waiting for. The aloe vera. Hey, well, see, I'm even wasting it. Hey. Anyway, you start by getting the aloe vera and applying that to your scalp. Your scalp is the most important part of this treatment. You are treating your scalp for itchiness and dandruff. Focus on your scalp before you move on to your hair strands. As you can see, I've started massaging it into my hair, and guys, this is so good. As you're even touching your hair, it feels so easy to pull through and detangle. Aloe vera has to be my best detangler actually. Also remember that aloe vera has many other benefits for hair. Remember when I talked of the amino acids and the vitamins that are great for hair growth, and also the fatty acids that help with itchiness, dandruff. This is basically a detox. Like, your scalp needs this, okay? Just go in, get it into your hair, massage it into your scalp, let it just help. Let it in. Sorry, you guys, you forgive me. But look at the curls. Look at my curls. They are so defined. You don't even need to look twice. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing? Like, God. If I tell you that this was so good, like, even as they're putting it on your scalp, like, it felt so, so soothing. Look at how I'm even pulling the comb, because I don't really like using brushes. I prefer white tooth combs. Look at how easily the comb glides through. No piece of hair on it. Are you seeing that? No single shedding or breakage. Look at, are you peep? Before, I dealt with itchiness, dry scalp for a while, flaky scalp, and aloe vera was my game changer. You guys know I'm always real about these things. Aloe vera just needs your consistency. You just need to be consistent with a routine that works for you. Okay, so yeah, get that into your hair, massage it in, and let it do the work. When I finish with one section, I just move on to the other section. And now I'm at the back section. I'm just twisting that up because I'm done with that. Then make sure you massage it in when you're done. Get your edges, your front hair, your scalp, everywhere. Just massage it in, let it soak in. Yeah, and I take a plastic cap and I cover my hair for about 1 hour. You can even leave for longer, but I left it for 1 hour and I washed out later. So guys, this is actually my hair about 4 days later after I washed it and used the aloe vera treatment on. Have you used or do you use aloe vera in your skin or hair regimen before? How did it work out for you? Share your experience and comment down, or the method that you used. Don't forget to give my video a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Like and comment your answers down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. See you next week. Bye.